Say hello to the 2023 Toyota Crown. The all-new 2023 Toyota Crown brings bold style to the top of the Toyota sedan lineup. With massive wheels, a flowing silhouette and unique paint options, it is a ride that is ready to stand out from the crowd. Toyota Crown brings ample style and the added confidence of standard AWD and the choice of two electrified Toyota powertrains, including the first-ever hybrid max system. The all-new Toyota Crown has an elevated stance that comes in part from standard 19-inch or available 21-inch wheels are the largest ever on a Toyota sedan. The large diameter wheels lift Toyota Crown up, giving the car a strong presence that also helps drivers get a clear view of the road. Toyota Crown comes well equipped at a manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, starting at $39,950 for the XLE grade, $45,550 for the limited grade and $52,350 for the platinum grade. The vehicle will arrive at Toyota dealerships in early 2023. Available in 3 grades, XLE, Limited and Platinum, Toyota Crown will offer a choice of 2 different hybrid powertrains, Hybrid Max, available only on the Platinum grade, or the Toyota Hybrid System, THS. Key features include reimagined sedan with bold styling, premium comfort and elevated ride height. Hybrid powertrain standard with choice of first-ever Hybrid Max or Toyota Hybrid System. Hybrid Max combines a 2.4L turbo hybrid engine with rear e-axle for 340 HP and 400 lb-ft of torque. Spacious interior and quiet ride, standard adaptive variable suspension on Platinum. Platinum grade offers unique bitone paint and standard 21-inch wheels. Toyota's all-new audio multimedia system with 12.3-inch touchscreen standard.
Thanks for watching this video. Please take a moment and give us a like or leave a comment and subscribe to our channel.